Hello everyone, this is Ishwar. Nowadays, we are seeing a lot of conspiracy in so-called startups and the pricings also. So here we are in 21st century, and here the education is available in YouTube and some Udemy sites. I think 10,000, 20,000, like 1 lakh for a kid is waste of money. I'm saying it's a waste of money. It's your hard-earned money. I know this money will go to someone's blood earner for them, but not yours. You can't waste your money like that, right? Of course, everyone is following that. We have to follow. So first, pause a minute and think about it. You don't need to spend that much money for a kid. When I was kid, I studied from a government schools, and roughly it's like not even more than 5,000 for entire first class to 10th class for a government school. Now I'm here standing in front of you and I'm giving a speech in English. Okay, when the time passes, the kid will learn, right? You can't force them to learn this. Someone is achieving great heights, you have to do this. He's earning in within 15 years, he's earning 1 lakh or 1 crore rupees. How you believe those shit, right? You don't need to believe those things. First, uh, just do a Google search. A simple Google search will land you to the truth, right? Don't fall into the traps. Everyone is following, I have to follow. No need of that. Let me show you some of the courses available in online, and so here you can see this. These are the courses, and I learn from YouTube videos, right? There's some good channel called Neso Academy. You can learn C, Java, data structures from this site. I bet on it. If you learn C from this YouTube channel, you will learn any course, any language available over there, right? So C is the basic fundamental for every student. If you are interested in hardware side, learn assembly language, then Verilog, system Verilog. These kind of things will come once you enter the industry. So before industry, they are not considering what you know. They are looking whatever you studied, you are good at it or not. That's it. Don't rush into it, because it will not fetch anything. It will just kill the you can see the mental health or mental peace. So if any problem happens, then he will commit suicide or something. He or she will commit suicides. Suicides will happen because of the pressures, the either parents pressures or the society pressure. So we have to get rid of it. All right, this is the time to wake up. See, I'm not giving lectures here. I'm just educating you. Whether you want to take it or not, it's up to you. But this is the fact. You don't need to learn anything. Even in industry, there is some time to learn. They can't just hurry to, okay, this is the task you have to do. It's not like that. They will give 1 or 2 months to adjust to the environment, and then they will ask, okay, these are the skills required. Then you have to learn from within the 2 months. It's enough time you have. So why you are rushing? Why are kid? I mean, you are behind these all startups, coding startups, all this stuff. Okay, so these are my suggestions. Don't take this kind of courses online just to mess the kids mind. Okay, it's okay. It's okay to learn slowly. Nothing wrong in it. Even I have seen someone who's doing PhD or masters at age of 30. So you are forcing it 15 years. Just let them grow, right? So I will leave the some of the links to follow, to just to give you an idea of what they are doing, and what the news channels are covering. Some news channels are promoting it without even fact checking, right? And some channels are giving a good overview of it, whether you can take it or not. Okay, so this is it for now, and these are the prices of some of the so-called coding sites they are quoting. So I will not reveal the name of it, but you can see these are the prices around almost. Even I am learning this free of cost in YouTube. Why you have to pay? Even it's a 500 or 1000 is a fine for it, for a single course. So I used to take Udemy courses. Like even now when I'm telling all this to you, I'm also learning C++, Python, Perl from Udemy, and I already learned C. It's like at the age of 6 or 7, so they start thinking, they start thinking, and they'll learn the formation of sentences, and they'll learn some new words. So you forget, you are just keeping it aside and you are learning coding. So I can tell you one thing, coding is not just about simple, like there's a program you have to write. That coding combines your mathematical, logical abilities, right? So don't rush into it. Give him some time to kids. They'll grow up and they'll learn what they are doing. You don't need to buy the expensive courses. It's not needed at all. And this is for now. I will see you in the next video with an interesting video. Thank you.